Hey, Scotch lovers. SB here with Scotch Drinkers Only, and I'm psyched to spill the barley on an event you do not want to miss. Mark your calendar for Wednesday, July 23rd at 7 p.m. Eastern. We're going live online with filmmaker Greg Swartz, director of The Water of Life, and independent bottling legend Gregor Hannah of Lady of the Glen for an interactive tasting and Q&A. Get an invite by purchasing our US exclusive Explorer pack. It packs 5 premium 50ml drams, 4 cask strength single malt straight from the barrel, no dilution, all character. And 1 stunning St. Bridget's Kirk Solera malt, Scotland's only true Solera-style whiskey, layered year after year. Perfect for sharing or keeping all to yourself. Every ticket unlocks streaming access to the entire 4-episode docu-series Independent Spirits, so you can watch the craft, then taste the craft. Plus, you'll get a $10 coupon toward any full-size Lady of the Glen bottle after the tasting. Kits are available at scotchdrinkersonly.com. Just search Explorer Pack or hit the link in this post. Supplies are limited, and once they're gone, they're gone. Grab yours now, pour a dram or 5, and we'll see you online July 23rd. Cheers.